So people sometimes ask, is insurance going to pay for my roof? Sometimes that is the case. Sometimes it's not the case. Sometimes insurance will pay for something that you didn't even anticipate. Case in point, went out with a client just recently. They thought they had hail damage. Another roofer had come out, said that they had hail damage. I got up there. I didn't see any hail damage. So I said, you know what, you can still talk to your insurance company, but I don't think you really have a hail claim. But you might have a wind claim. So sure enough, the adjuster came out. The adjuster went up there, looked at all the shingles, looked at the different angles of the roof, and they were able to determine that there was damage due to wind, not hail. Now, they didn't pay for the whole roof, the insurance company, but they are paying for a significant portion of it. Until you really have a professional, like someone at Beldon, come out and look at things, you're not gonna know if you got a claim or if you don't have a claim. You might just need the roof just because it's leaking, or you might need the roof because it was damaged during a storm. Anyways, call us now. We got some great promotions running right now. We can do an assessment, and if you're wanting to move forward with us, we can take advantage of some of the deals that we have going.